Hello everyone, my name is Day Harrison and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my survey research report, which is about date rape in college. The views about date rape in college were taken through a short survey that included 5 demographic questions, 7 standard questions, as well as Likert skill items, which were taken by Tuskegee University students and persons who do not attend the university. For this poster, I'll just be talking to you guys about some graphs and their information. The purpose of this study is to gain knowledge of how individuals view date rape and if certain situations will change the respondents' moral views. Date rape is a form of acquaintance rape, and the two phrases are often used interchangeably, but date rape specifically refers to rape in which there has been some sort of romantic or potentially sexual relationship between the two parties. For this survey, I wanted to be able to measure the views of Tuskegee University students about date rape in college, like I said before. And with the help of my instructor, I was able to get some questions that were not meant to be biased, but just let the participants answer freely and honestly. Okay, for figure 1, it is a univariate graph, and it's asking, do you view date rape as a serious problem? And as you can see, there's 4 values here: strongly agree, and disagree, and strongly disagree. Strongly agree has the highest percentage at 76.8%, agree at 17.2%, disagree at 2%, and strongly disagree at 4%. This is another univariate graph, and it's asking, do you think if a girl doesn't physically fight back, you can't really say it was rape? So this time, strongly disagrees at 66.7%, disagrees at 22.2%, agree is at 5.1%, strongly agree is at 6.1%. Right, moving on to figure 3, it's another univariate graph, and it's asking, do you believe if a girl is raped while she is drunk, she's at least somewhat responsible for letting things get out of hand? The lowest here is strongly agree and is at 5.1%. Somewhat agree is at 13.1%. Somewhat disagree is at 17.2%. And strongly agree is at 64.6%. Now let's move on to some multivariate graphs. Alright. Multivariate and bivariate graphs, excuse me. So the bivariate graph here is basically showing you guys how my independent variable and my dependent variable, or my independent variable affects my dependent variable. And my independent variable is classification, and my dependent variable is desire, or do you believe when guys rape is usually because of their strong desire for sex. And as you can see here, seniors had a higher percentage of somewhat agreeing that when guys rape is usually because of their desire or their strong desire for sex. And moving on to my multivariate graph here, I incorporated my control variable, which was sex, male, female, to my independent and my dependent variable. And as you can see here, freshmen and sophomore males will strongly agree more than females who are of the same classification that when guys rape is usually because of their strong desire for sex. Okay. Lastly, this questionnaire was an attempt to get the views of Tuskegee University students about date rape in college. This survey gave the respondents a chance to answer questions that were based off date rape myths and attitudes. Several studies have shown that the effects of these myths and how a person's moral beliefs or values can be changed if influenced. Most of the graphs represented in this report had a high response for the Likert item, strongly disagree. This simply is due to the fact that many students, as well as individuals who do not attend the university, feel as though date rape in college is never okay, and it's important to give public awareness about this topic. For my bivariate graphs, like I had just show you guys, I asked the question, do you believe in guys rape? It is usually because of their strong desire for sex. And seniors had the highest percentage, 57.9%, and Tuskegee Tuskegee students all agree that date rape is a serious problem. So I hope you guys learned some stuff about date rape in college, some stats, and thank you guys for watching, listening to me.